pull yourself together, dear.
I can't. Not anymore. Oh, where is he? What's happened to our son?
3 little kittens washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. But when the kittens put on their mittens, they began to cry.
Meow. This feels scratchy.
Well, you see, detergent suds can leave your duds with that scratchy touch. From now on, kittens does your mittens.
Oh, thank you very much.
Does gets 'em clean as you've ever seen, but does even more. Just feel 'em now.
They're fluffy. Wow.
Softer than ever before. And you can bet with Does you get new softness for your mama's towels, skirts, dad's work shirts, and all the cat's pajamas. And hands can stay so soft this way. Does is a soap, you see.
It's powerful stuff.
But it never plays rough. It leaves your wash as soft as can be. See what I mean? It's more than clean.
It never was softer, was it?
Remember, kittens, for clean, soft mittens, it's the soap in Does that does it.